Wildfire season has started, and we are seeing its widespread impact with poor air quality across the country. For some of us, this is the first time we are experiencing the negative impacts of severe air pollution. This could be the worst wildfire season in our history, so it's important to learn more about air quality and what we can do to protect ourselves and our family. Fortunately, there is a tool we can use to know the air quality in our area and what it means for our health. We can even receive notifications specific to our own sensitivity to air quality. The Air Quality Health Index, or AQHI, provides real-time and forecasted air quality information using a scale of 1 through 10 plus. The higher the number, the greater the risk to our health. 1 to 3 means there is a low risk to our health, 4 to 6 indicates moderate risk, 7 to 10 is high risk. This is when we should consider modifying our outdoor activities, especially if we are at greater risk. 10 and above is very high risk, and if possible, we should avoid spending time outside. We can check the AQHI in our area in a variety of ways. On our smartphone, we can use the WeatherCan app from Environment and Climate Change Canada. This app will let you see the weather, the AQHI, and special air quality statements in your area. We can see how the air quality changes even throughout the day. Anyone can feel the effects from poor air quality if they spend time outdoors when the Air Quality Health Index values are high. If we see or smell smoke, the air quality is likely being affected. Poor air quality is especially harmful for people with asthma, heart conditions, lung disease, or other respiratory problems. Other groups at a higher risk are those who are pregnant, infants, and seniors. Look for the Air Quality Health Index in your weather updates and check the air quality in your region. Take time today to learn how air pollution can affect our health and what we can do to protect ourselves and our loved ones. You can find more information about air quality at canada.ca/wildfire-smoke.